In this video, we are going to calculate simple interest for a set of values representing principal, number of years, and rate of interest. Open code blocks. Go to File, New, Empty file. The shortcut is Ctrl-Shift-N. Save the file by pressing Ctrl-S. I will name it s1_02.c. Let's write the program. Write the purpose of the program as a comment. Calculation of simple interest. Include stdio.h header file. Write the main function. Declare the necessary variables. Let's initialize the variables with some arbitrary values. Calculate simple interest. Print the value of simple interest. Build and run the program. Accordingly, we are getting the output 450.000000, 6 zeros after decimal point. Now, if you want to display the result up to 2 decimal places, use %.2f instead of %f. Build and run the program again. Notice that I declared all the variables in the program before using them. I did it at the beginning of the program. I recommend constructing meaningful variable names like principal, rate_of_interest, number_of_years to represent principal, rate of interest, and number of years, rather than using p, n, r. If you want to declare more than one variable of the same type, separate it by comma, as we did in this program. Here, int and float keywords are data types for integer and floating point variables, respectively. It is mandatory to declare the type of any variable that you want to use in a program. Star and / are the arithmetic operators. Star is used for multiplication and / is used for division. The arithmetic operators available in C are plus, minus, star for multiplication and / for division. C has a rich set of operators. I will get into more details about operators later. Once the value of simple_interest is calculated, it needs to be displayed on the screen or console window. You can do it using printf library function. the general form of printf function is printf open close parenthesis semicolon format string within double quotes, comma, list of variables. Format string can contain %d for printing integer values, %f for printing real values, %c for printing character values. In addition to the format specifiers, the format string may also contain other characters. These characters also get printed on the console. For example, printf can not only print values of variables, but it can also print the result of an expression. An expression is nothing but a valid combination of constants, variables and operators. Thus, 3, 3 plus 5, a and a plus b into c minus d all are valid expressions. You can print the results of these expressions as shown. Note that on compiling the program, its machine language equivalent is stored as an exe file on the hard disk. This file is called an executable file. If you copy this file to another computer running the same OS, you can execute it there without being required to recompile it. In fact, the other machine need not even have a compiler to be able to execute the file. Let me show you how. I am calling the getChar function here that reads a single character from standard input. This is a way to force the program to hold execution until the user presses a key, and this allows you to see the output. This table lists the commonly used format specifiers with their type or purpose. Thanks for watching. Next, we are going to modify this program so that it can take input from the user for the principal, rate of interest and number of years. See you in the next video.